TV5 is tracking the COVID-19 vaccine. Every Tuesday, organizations can apply for more vaccines. And today is the first time a local nonprofit asked for a shipment. Abby Dodge is live for us now outside the Hope Faith Homelessness Assistance Campus. Abby, this is the first nonprofit we know of, at least in our area, offering these shots. How are they making that happen?
Well, Carolyn, Hope Faith hopes to vaccinate some agency workers and shelter staff starting next week because of their partnership with Heart to Heart International. Eventually, they also want to vaccinate people experiencing homelessness, too.
People packed the warming centers at Hope Faith to find relief from the bitter cold. The organization is one of the first nonprofits to vaccinate Missourians, hoping to give that same moment of relief.
For all of us who've been standing on the front line for the last 11 and a half months, there brings a lot of peace to know that, that's one less thing we had to worry about in the midst of a pandemic.
Hope Faith didn't have these capabilities at the beginning of 2020.
At the beginning of the pandemic, we were really struggling because this was going to be a medical pandemic, right? And so we didn't have a medical partner at the time that was going to support us.
That's where Heart to Heart International jumped in.
We've decided to make ourselves a more local presence here in Kansas City, and we've started the Hope Health Clinic.
Now there are 3 freezers ready to store vaccines.
We've always planned for trouble. We've always tried to think ahead, needing vaccines for pandemics and terrible illnesses like Ebola.
The freezers are a loan from Heart to Heart, but being able to fill them with vaccines meant filling out stacks of paperwork.
Nothing really stops Heart to Heart. Even on our trip to Honduras, there was a second hurricane, and we had to travel during the second hurricane, and during that time, I thought we would go home, but we only became more determined to reach Honduras. So really, a little paperwork isn't going to slow us down.
Well, Hope Faith is vaccinating those workers first, and they're hoping by the time they get to vaccinate the people who they serve, there is a single dose vaccine available. That's just so that they can not have to track with their vaccine cards and have people come back to this location a second time. It would just be one shot and done, and then people experiencing homelessness would be vaccinated. Live in Kansas City, Abby Dodge, KC TV5 News.